Okay, so I'm here at Suspension Plus, and it's in Laguna. Ben's the owner. Real nice guy. Immaculate shop. Waiting room is amazing. I'll show you that in a moment. All the amenities, snacks, come and get it. And most importantly, they're passionate about what they do. Take you around back here and show you a little bit of their garage. They do foreign and domestic, complete automotive service and repair. See how clean it is back here. And you name it. The brand of car that they do. Complete automotive repair, as I said. Brake, suspension, oil changes, you name it. So pay them a visit. Let's take a look at the lounge here.